Hey, it's the Movie Maker, and I'm doing a mock review on this gun. It's a pistol, and I don't know what to call it because I don't know much about guns, so I'm just gonna call it a pistol. Here it is. It's got, you can look along this sight here, and if you can see that white dot, I don't know if you can see that white dot. Let's see, can you see that? Yeah, you can. So that's your sight. This is like the ammo which you put in there, and there's also this piece to cover up that, so it's like a smooth, easy to hold. It's made of white bricks completely, except for these two bits. I just wanted a different color, and I was also running out of bricks by then. This trigger does move, but doesn't do anything. Yeah, it's got this sticker. I was running out of bits or pieces, and there's a thing which you can add on to it. I don't know if pistols use bayonets, but there's a bayonet on the end using Lewa's katana, air katana. So yeah, there's my pistol. I have no idea what the actual name for it is. I don't even know if this is a replica of a real gun, so I'm just gonna call it a pistol, a Lego pistol. Okay.